So these are my new Thermajohn long underwear, and they are made out of some nice polyester material, 92% polyester, 8% spandex, and beautiful gray, and they feel really good, and they're actually extremely comfortable to wear as well. And of course, they have the opening in the front, which is convenient, and a nice elastic around the waist. The size is very, very accurate. So right on the bag here, it tells you what your sizes are. And I'm 34-inch waist, and the large is perfect. I am 5'11 and a half. And so the length is perfect for me. It comes right down to your ankle. And again, they fit extremely well. Very, very nice, very comfortable material. So I think these are great, and I'm looking forward to having these, being able to wear them during the colder months. It's actually already here in Northern Virginia starting to get a little bit cooler, so I'm looking forward to getting plenty of use out of them as it gets even colder out.